this video I am going to discuss about the femoral bone plate. You can see this simpler femoral distal femoral bone I have made by using SolidWorks, and you can see the different shades and different views of this. This is front view, you can say bottom view, side view. So this is easily made femoral bone plate that is used for to cure the fracture in femur bone. The fracture may be caused by a motor vehicle or other, but this is used to treat the femoral bone fracture. So also after designing, I have run the simulation. First of all, I set this so you can clearly see this design, and if you want this design you can contact me via my email, where is in the description. So this is for just texture purpose, and you can apply different colors here in SolidWorks to attract your buyer, your client, like this. This is not working, so I have moved to ANSYS design modeler, ANSYS workbench. In this workbench I have created this, I have imported this model, and after importing this model I run a simulation to find bone mass stress by applying force in this face and apply fixed support on the other face. You can see this side is fixed and this side bears force of 453 Newton. You can change the magnitude by here, but now I keep the magnitude same. So this is meshing, this beautiful meshing, or you can change the matrix by inserting feature or the sizing method, or it's up to you. But now we keep interested in bone mass stress. You can see the stress is shown here, and the maximum stress, if you want to know, maximum stress is here. As far as maximum stress is concerned, it's depend upon the boundary condition, the force, and many other factors. So if you want to know the exact stress on every location, you can click on probe. That will give you exact stresses on this. So maximum stress generated is 2.17 megapascal, which is a big stress for femoral plate. If it exceeds the yield strength of material, your model will fail. So you must use material that will cause lower stress, and use that boundary condition that will cause lower stresses. So if you want to learn how I made this model, you can contact me by my email. My email is in description, affan399@gmail.com. So I think color is working now. Yes, see the beauty of model after applying color. So this is different texture I want to apply in this model. This maybe or other material, it's up to you. Okay, in next video I will teach probably how to simulate from scratch which biomaterial you must use, like 316L stainless steel titanium, and many other material, cobalt, commercially pure titanium, and other. Okay, thank you.